Welcome to this video guide on troubleshooting blinking lights on your Fujitsu air conditioner. We will walk you through several common fixes to help you resolve this issue. First, try a power cycle. Locate your AC remote or main switch to turn the unit off. Then, flip your home circuit breaker to off for 5 to 10 minutes before turning it back on. Observe if the lights stop blinking. Second, clean or replace your air filters. Clogged filters restrict airflow. Power off the unit, open the front panel, and slide out the filters. Clean them with soap and water or replace them if they are disposable. Third, check for error codes. Note the specific blinking pattern of the lights and refer to your owner's manual to interpret the code. The manual will guide you on the necessary steps to resolve the reported error. Fourth, inspect the outdoor condenser unit. Ensure the area around the unit is clear of debris, like leaves or trash. Maintain at least 2 feet of clear space for proper airflow and check for any visible damage. Fifth, reset your remote controller. Remove the batteries and hold any button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge residual power. Insert fresh batteries and ensure they are oriented correctly. Finally, check for platform-specific issues. Ensure the AC unit has no leaks and that sensors are unobstructed. For the remote, confirm the display is visible and verify that settings like child lock or sleep mode are not causing the behavior.